of using the ball to roll out the soles of our feet. So this you can be doing seated or standing. I'm going to move back and show you standing. Just check them in view. This here. So you just pop the ball down onto the floor and then your foot sitting on top of the ball. Now you apply as much pressure as feels right for you, and then you're going to roll the ball up and down the length of your foot. Now we want to try and cover the whole surface area of your foot, so going from the inner arch, ball of the foot to the heel, all the way up, and then sort of zigzagging your way across the foot. Now there's quite a few reasons that we do this. One of them is we have 7,000 nerve endings in each foot, and doing this helps stimulate those nerve endings, which help our movement all the way up our body. There's also a lot of muscles, a lot of joints in our feet, which can get really tight and really sticky if we're wearing shoes a lot, or if we're not getting to walk a lot, or if we're walking maybe with a walking aid. That can change how we land into our feet, and then the muscles in our feet and the joints in our feet can get really tight and really sticky. So doing this work can help free that up, and it also helps stimulate the blood flow and the lymphatic flow. So getting the blood moving from the soles of the feet all the way up is really good to help clear toxins, which is where the lymphatic system comes in. It helps keep us a bit warmer and gets nutrients through the body, as well as clearing out those toxins. So before we go over to the other foot, what I want you to do is just to place that foot that you've worked down and notice how it feels in comparison to the one that we haven't done yet. So your foot might feel a bit more alive, it might feel lighter, it might feel more spacious, it might just feel like you're more aware of the senses of it. When you've done that side, we will then go over into the other side. And as you start to work on this other foot, you might notice it feels completely different to the first foot. One foot might be more really responsive, more sensitive, more tender, or it might be complete opposite. When you're doing this as well, just check that you're not holding your breath. Sometimes when we're concentrating on things, we can have a tendency to hold into our breath. And then when you're happy that you have rolled out the second foot enough, you can pop your ball off to the side. That was the last time we used that today.